Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate sending Facebook page posts to Discord channel. So I'm managing a community related to the new technology on my Discord channel, and to promote that I am also running a Facebook page on my Facebook account. Now I want that as soon as I'm going to post something new on my Facebook page related to the new technology, I also want to update that same to all my followers and all my community on my Discord channel. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to simply set up a connection between Facebook pages and Discord, and that we are going to do without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how we can automatically share Facebook page post on Discord channel. So I manage a community for tech enthusiasts on my Discord, and I also maintain a Facebook page for the same community. I regularly post updates, news or announcements on my Facebook page, and I want to ensure that my Discord community members are always in the loop without having to manually copy and paste the content into Discord. Therefore, I want to send an automated message on Discord channel whenever I'm going to post something on my Facebook page. So basically, I'm going to link my Facebook page with Discord. And how we are going to do that? By setting up a connection between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our repetitive tasks, that too without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. So after coming on this home page, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, you can directly click on sign in option. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will do that, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I am already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here on the same dashboard to save our workflows separately and accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. Here a dialog box will appear which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let's give a name over here. Automate sending Facebook page post to Discord channel. After giving the name, here I am going to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. You can see we have multiple folders over here. So here I am going to select social media automations. Okay, so the workflow will get saved in this folder which we have selected. Now we will simply click on create, and we can see that two windows are open in front of us. So what are these? Trigger and action. Now what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective over here is that whenever I'm going to post something on my Facebook page, then I want to share that same post on Discord channel as well. So for that, I'm going to take Facebook pages in my trigger and Discord in my action. But when we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger command. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the post is created on our Facebook page, then only it will be shared as a message on Discord, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us quickly start creating the workflow step by step. So first of all, in order to start the workflow, we have to select our trigger application, and that will be Facebook pages. So let's quickly select that. Now we have to select the trigger event. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have two options over here, new post or new comment. I want that whenever a new post will be created on my Facebook page, then I want to capture the response. So new post will be our trigger event over here. Now we'll simply click on connect to build the connection. For building the connection, first of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and you have to open your Facebook page. Then you will go towards add new connection. You will click on connect with Facebook pages, and here you will select your account. As you will do that, you will see that your authorization has become successful and Facebook page is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we'll move forward. Here you have to select the Facebook page which you want to connect. So the name of my page is Digital Dynamics. I'm going to go back and simply select that same over here. So here we have the name of the page, that is Digital Dynamics. We have selected that. Now when we are going to click on save and send test request button, it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. And how we are going to do that? By simply creating a post on our Facebook page which we have connected over here. And as soon as we will do that, the response will be immediately captured over here. So I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page, and here I'm going to create a page post. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to enter the content over here. And here I'm going to select an image also. I want to attach the image as well with the post. And here I'm going to simply post this. As soon as we have created this post, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for the response over here, and you can see we have received the response. The caption, that means the message which we have posted. Here we have received the link of the post. You can see that this is the name of my page. Here is the post ID. When we will scroll down, here is the item, that means the post which we have shared, that is photo post. And also we have received some other details. Okay. This means that our connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever on this page Digital Dynamics I'm going to post something, the response of that post will be captured inside Pabbly Connect automatically. Now we will move forward, and our objective is to share this post on our Discord community with our team members. So here what I will do, I will simply set up the connection between Discord and Pabbly Connect. For that we have to go towards our action step, and we have to select our action application as Discord. Let's select that. Then we have to select the action event, that will be send channel message HTML, and here we will click on connect. As we have done that, here it is asking us the webhook URL, message and other details. So in order to build the connection between a specific Discord channel and Pabbly Connect, we have to perform certain steps. For that I'm going to take you towards my Discord account. Over here this is my channel, my community on my Discord account, Facebook page post. So how we have to set up the connection between this channel and Pabbly Connect? For that we have to go towards the channel name. And here you can see the option of server settings. We will select that. Okay, after coming over here from the left side, we can see the option of integrations, and here is the option of webhook. So let's select that. So let's select view webhooks option. Now we will simply click on new webhook, and a new webhook will be added over here. So we'll scroll down and search for the webhook which we have created recently with the help of today's date. Okay, so this is a new bot which we have recently created. So we'll simply click on this button. And if you want, you can also give a name to your webhook. So I'm going to give a name, let's say new posts. Okay, now you have to select the specific channel which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So here the name of my channel will be Facebook page post. So I'm going to search for Facebook page post channel over here. I've selected that. We will copy the webhook URL, go back and paste it over here. Then we will once again go back towards Discord and click on save changes. So the changes are saved successfully, and now our channel Facebook page post is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and now here we have to enter the message which we want to send along with the post. Okay, so here I'm going to enter the message as hello folks, we have just shared a fresh update on our Facebook page. Don't miss out on the latest insights and news. Check it out here. So here I'm going to simply insert the link of here you can see I have used BR tags just to break the lines, because we are using send channel message HTML action event. So here you have to enter the message in the HTML format. So if you need to break the lines in the paragraph which you are sending as a message, then you have to use BR tags over there. Now, in order to insert the URL of the Facebook page, we will use our previous response which we have already received, because here we have already received the post link. So what we will do, instead of entering it manually by copy and pasting, we will simply insert it from a previous step and we will map it. So when we will select it, it is mapped over here. When we map a data like this, it becomes dynamic, and with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So whatever details we map in the workflow, it gets replaced automatically whenever a new response is captured. This means that now whenever a new post will be created on our Facebook page and the response will be captured, then immediately and automatically in the message field, the link which we have mapped over here of the post is going to replace with the new link of that new post. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. And the data which we have entered manually, such as here we have entered the message manually, so it will be same each time. Only the link is going to replace. So in this way, as soon as we are going to post something on our Facebook page, a message will be forwarded on our Discord channel along with the post link. Okay, now I'm going to end the BR tag over here and done. Okay, basically here we are creating and setting up a bot inside Discord channel, so that whenever we will post something on our Facebook page, an automated message could be sent on our Discord channel along with the post link. So I'm going to give the bot name as new Facebook post. Okay, then if you want, you can also give an image as a bot icon, and here I will simply click on save and send test request button after entering all the details. Here we have received the response, so let's go and check whether on our Discord channel the message is received or not. And yes, you can see that here a message is received. In the message, you can see that all the lines are given in the systematic format. Here we have the message, hello folks, we have shared a fresh update on our Facebook page. Don't miss out on the latest insights and news. Check it out here. So the link is directly shared, and here you can see the image is also given. So this means that our connection between our Facebook page and Discord is absolutely successful. So now whenever a new post will be shared on our Facebook page, it will be automatically shared as a message on Discord channel as well. So once again, we will test this workflow. I'm going to post something new over here on my Facebook page once again, and as we have set up the connection successfully, immediately and automatically without any manual efforts, the same post will be shared on our Discord channel as well. So this is the content for my post, and here I'm going to attach an image as well. Alright, I will simply post this on my Facebook page quickly, and as we have done that, here you can see that the post is created. So as soon as the post is created, let's go and check whether we have received a message automatically on our Discord channel or not. And yes, here the message is received with the same message, but here we have the different link and the different image. So when a person is going to click on this link, he can be directed towards the Facebook page post. Okay, this means that our connection between Facebook pages and Discord is absolutely successful, and our workflow is also running fine. Let's quickly summarize what we have done in the workflow. We have taken two simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook pages, and in action we have taken Discord, and we have set up a connection between these two applications in such a way that whenever a new post will be created on our Facebook page, automatically the message will be shared on our Discord channel that a post is created. In this way, you will be able to connect with your community on both the channels, on Facebook pages and Discord, and you can share and you can link your Facebook page with your Discord in such a way that whenever you will post something over there, the community will also get to know that a post has been created on your Facebook page. Okay, and you do not have to do anything manually for that. Just set up this connection and your work will be effortless. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.